In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Zoho Analytics. Adjusting the currency settings is an essential task for many businesses, ensuring that financial reports and data are presented accurately according to your specific requirements. Whether you're dealing with international clients or just standardizing your data, this is a valuable skill to master for maintaining consistency and clarity across your analytics workspace. To get started, it's important to understand that the currency setting in Zoho Analytics is managed at the workspace level. This means any changes you make will be applied across all the data sets within that workspace, giving you a seamless and uniform look to all your reports and dashboards. First, we'll need to access the workspace settings. Begin by logging into your Zoho Analytics account and navigating to the specific workspace where you want to change the currency format. Once you're in the right workspace, look for the Settings option, usually represented by a small gear icon. Clicking this will bring you into the Workspace Settings menu, a hub that allows you to customize various features and overall behavior of your workspace. Once you're in the workspace settings, your next step is to find the formatting options. This is typically found under a section labeled either Format or Preferences, depending on your version of Zoho Analytics. The formatting options are where you can customize how numbers, dates, and other values are displayed. What you want to focus on here is the currency formatting options. Entering the currency format area gives you a list of various currency options to choose from. Here's where you select the currency format that best suits your needs. If you're dealing with clients in Europe, for instance, selecting the euro might be your choice. If you prefer to work with US dollars or British pounds, those options are also readily available. It's all about selecting the currency that accurately reflects your business dealings or the nature of your data. Choose your desired currency format, and once selected, this will apply the new currency format across the entire workspace. This means that all your reports, datasets, and dashboards within this workspace will now automatically display currency in the format you have chosen. That's it. Your workspace is now set with the new currency format. Changing the currency format helps eliminate confusion, ensures consistency, and improves the overall professionalism of your financial analytics. In business, these details create clarity, and clarity leads to better decision-making. Remember, any further adjustments will need to be made directly from this area, so getting comfortable with these settings can save you a lot of time in the future. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides on how to optimize your experience with Zoho Analytics and other productivity tools. Have a great day.